Good morning students. Today's video is on exercise 1.2 of class 10th exercise 1.2 of maths of class 10th exercise 1.2 of math. So today's video is on exercise 1.2 is basically based upon the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. I have already made a short video on the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. You can check the link above this video, or I will share it at the end of the video. What is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic? Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. सो ये हमारी बुक में ही डेफिनेशन गिवन है दैट एवरी कंपोजिट नंबर कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एज ए प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम एंड दिस फैक्टराइजेशन इज यूनिक अपार्ट फ्रॉम द ऑर्डर. मतलब क्या है इसका? कोई भी कंपोजिट नंबर जो प्राइम नहीं है, अगर हम उसके फैक्टर्स बनाएं यानी प्राइम फैक्टर्स बनाएं तो किसी भी कंपोजिट नंबर को हम प्राइम फैक्टर्स की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं और ये कंपोजिशन यूनिक रहती है. मतलब कि अगर मैं लिख दूँ 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5, चाहे 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, चाहे 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3, अगर मैं ऑर्डर चेंज भी कर दूँ तब भी आंसर जैसे इस वे में लिख दिया 5 इंटू 3 इंटू 2 लिख दिया या 2 इंटू 5 इंटू 3 लिख दिया तो आंसर विल बी सेम. 5 3 ज़ा 15 2 ज़ा 30. इन ऑल केस द आंसर इज 30 हमारे पास कंपोजिट नंबर है, हम इनको प्राइम के फॉर्म्स में लिख सकते हैं और किसी भी कंपोजिट नंबर को लिख सकते हैं. सो यही है हमारी फंडामेंटल थ्योरम ऑफ अर्थमेटिक. फंडामेंटल थ्योरम ऑफ अर्थमेटिक के बाद जो हमारे पास नेक्स्ट थिंग आ जाती है जो हमने याद रखनी है और इस एक्सरसाइज में यूज होने वाली है इज दैट HCF एंड LCM. मीनिंग ऑफ HCF एंड LCM. HCF और HCF किसको कहते हैं? The first one is HCF, product of the smallest power of each common prime factor in the number. HCF होता है हमारे पास product of smallest power of each common prime factors in the number. Common prime factors in the number. And the LCM is, what is LCM? LCM is the product of greatest power of each prime factor involved in the number. That is product of greatest power of each prime factor of each prime factor. So what is the meaning? Product of smallest power of each common factor in the number. Let us take an example for so that this can be understand easily. So when we take the HCF and LCM of 6 and 20, what are the prime factor of 6? It is 2 multiplied by 3. And what are the prime factor of 20? It is 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. Simply 5 2 is 10 2 is 20. These are the prime factors. So here 2 multiplied by 3 and here 2 ka square multiplied by 5. What is the HCF? HCF is product of smallest power of each common prime factors. First thing हमने common prime factors ही देखने हैं और product of smallest power. Only 2 is the common prime factor and smallest power. What is the smallest power? That is 2. Here the power is 1, here the power is 2, this power is 2. LCM. What is the product of greatest power of each prime factor? Greatest power of each prime factor. Here we consider each prime factor, not the common one. Common one is only in the case of HCF. Here we take each prime factor and greatest power. What is the greatest power of 2? Here it is 2 and 3 and 5. हमने हर प्राइम फैक्टर को कंसीडर करना है और जो कॉमन है उनकी तो ग्रेटेस्ट पावर लेनी है. 2 का स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. So what is the answer here? 2 2s are 5. It is 60. So LCM is 60 and HCF is 2. So these are the two things to be remembered. What is the HCF and what is the meaning of LCF? And next is the rule of for any two positive integers. Let me erase this answer. So this is basically the introduction of exercise 1.2. For any two positive integer, for any two positive integers a and b, HCF of a multiplied by b, HCF of a and b, a multiplied by b, HCF of a and b multiplied by LCM of a and b is equal to product of a and b. So this is the simple rule which is used in this chapter. If we multiply HCF by LCM, the product is a multiplied by b. Take the previous example where we take the LCM and HCF of 6 and 20. The HCF is in that case is 2 and LCM in that case is I think 60. 60 was the LCM in that case. So what we do is the HCF is 2 and LCM is 60. Product of a and b and 6 multiplied by 20. The answer is 120 here and 120 here. So this is the simple rule used in this chapter. So let's start with the exercise 1.2 in the next video. This is the introduction used in this chapter. In next video I will go with the exercise 1.2. Okay, thank you for the video.